Mrs. Waz here, going to show you how to take a selfie for computer class. We've had this tradition for a while where you take a picture of yourself in the first few days of class and also add your name to it. And then, add a little creativity to it. So the first thing we need to do is actually take a picture. So down here at the bottom of the computer screen, click on the magnifying glass or the search bar and type in camera, C-A-M. Click on that and it will open up. Hello there. You'll be able to see yourself. All right. You can take multiple pictures, test it out, see which one you like the best. You can look at a preview screen down here or just take a few of them. I'll take my picture and then exit out of camera because I'm done with it. Now I need to go to Pixlr. Pixlr is a free photo editing site, and I think it also has an app too. So if you're like it, then you can always add it to your own device. So Pixlr should be on the classroom from a link right here. It should look like this. If you are just Googling Pixlr and you get to the website, scroll down and click on Pixlr X and not Pixlr E. We want Pixlr X. Once we get to that page, we're going to click Open Image, that blue button. I'm going to back out a little bit. So to get to my pictures, it should actually be under your quick access. Just go to the file that says pictures and then the folder that says camera roll. So this one right here. I'm going to double click on it. You can see I've taken a few selfies showing people what to do. So I'll take my picture that I like, click open. All right, so if I like that one, then I'm going to start editing, and my tools are all along the side here. We can add our text, which I like to do right away so I don't forget how to do it. There are a few of these like kind of fun fonts that you can definitely try out. The ones with the crowns on them are not going to be free, but the ones without are free. Go ahead and click the add new text if you just want a plain text. And to edit the actual text is actually on the left-hand side here where my mouse is. So I'm going to change it to my name. And then I can also change the color. Oh, I got that green one there. And I also can change the size because that's way too small. And then maybe the font too. Yeah, like that. Okay. I'm going to put my name right there. So I'm good with my name. The other ones to look for is add elements. There are a few of them that I really like. The one that says overlay. There's also a few sticker options. So let's go to the overlay first. Any of them that don't have the hearts are the ones that are free. So I think I might choose that one. And you can adjust the size and where it is. Got all the hearts there. I think that might be too much. So if I don't like that, then I can just press the undo button right here and undo the whole thing. All right, so I can just keep pressing the undo. Let's go to a sticker options. There are a bunch of stickers and a lot of them are not free, but some of them are. So look for the ones that are free. And the ones I am looking for, I'm going to keep scrolling, are these right here, the accessories. And they actually have some pretty fun ones that I think look pretty legit. So I'm actually going to grab the crown, because why not? And adjust the size. All right, and then the last thing that I wanted to show you, because there are a few different ones, are the filters and the effects. I think you can make your picture look way different with the effects here. So check those out. They're just like the filters that you would see on like a phone or something like that. And I always like to mess around a little bit with the liquify because it just looks kind of cool. So definitely check that out, those options here, and you can definitely check out a few more of them. Once you're good with the picture you have, you go ahead and click save. And the recommended one is a JPEG. So JPG is a picture file. And I'm going to go ahead and click save as. And here's where I want you to make sure where you save it. Go to this PC and go to desktop. Right? This PC and desktop. Then I'm going to change this to name it Selfie and click Save. When I minimize this window, I should be able to see my selfie right here on my desktop. I opened it up. There is that picture that I just did. So I'm able to exit out of that, and I'll be able to turn this into the Google Classroom. So just listen to your teacher for instructions on that. All right, good luck.